How's it going, everyone? This is a quick video on how to copy a table from Excel into Microsoft Word and the different ways that you can do that. So first I'll just create a quick table here. We'll have letters in the first column, numbers in the second, and the third column I'll make it a formula. And I'll just copy and paste that down. I'll also give it grid lines, and the very last column I'll highlight yellow. Okay, so let's say we want to paste this into a Word file. Well, you just highlight it and you can push Control C for copy, or you could right click and then click copy up here. And you'll see this kind of moving outline around it. So now you can paste it into Word. So if you open up Word and you right click, there's actually a few different options under paste. Okay, so we'll go through all of them. The first one, if you hover over it, it says keep source formatting. So what that does, it'll paste the table and make it look the way that it looks in Excel. So you have the same kind of design, you have that yellow colored last column, and this is now a table in Word. Okay, so you can treat it like any table in Word. You can change the values. Maybe I'll make this capital. Say I change this 2 into a 5. Now, if you remember, this was a formula, this last column, right, which is double whatever is in the second column. But now that it's just characters input into a table, you'll see that 4 doesn't double. Okay, it doesn't double the 5 that's now there. It's still the 4 which was there originally from when this was a 2. Okay, we're not in Excel anymore. So it's just a table, but it has the same aesthetic look as where we copied it from, and that's that. Now the second paste option right here, it says use destination styles. So this creates a table in Word, but you'll notice that it doesn't look the way that it looked like in Excel. Okay, so we have larger cell sizes here, right? We don't have that yellow colored third column. So that Excel formatting, that aesthetic isn't there anymore. Now the next two options for pasting are similar, but you'll see it says here link and keep source formatting, and link and use destination styles. So aesthetically, options 3 and 4 here mean the same thing as options 1 and 2, but they remain linked to the Excel file. So if we pick one of these options, and then let's say we go back to the Excel file, change some of the numbers, save the file, close it, and then we were to save this file, close it, load it back up again. When we load it back up again, we can actually update the values to reflect the new values that are in that Excel file. Okay, so it's actually linked to that Excel file. That's what those options 3 and 4 do. And the last two options, okay, option 5, so this will paste it as a picture. So it's not a table in Word. You can't change the values like in our first few cases here where you can just change the values to be whatever you want. Okay, now it's just a picture. Okay, you can change the size, right? But it's not treated as a table. It's treated as a picture. So it looks the way that it looks, and that's it. And the very last option is keep text only. Okay, so what that does is when you paste it, it's not a table and it's not a picture. It's just the text from that table placed into Word as if it's just characters typed one after the other with these spaces in between that you get if you hit the tab button, and you can type out whatever you want after that. So those are the ways that you can copy a table from Excel into Word. The most useful options is probably either the first two, right, where you just create a table in Word with the same values, or the last one where you're pasting it in as a picture. But of course, that's up to you which option works best for you. So I hope that helps, and until next time.